Hey, it's Blake. Just wanted to give a quick video on recurring tasks and templates. So obviously these are our spaces. Um, but if you go into just an example here, financial investors, and if you go in here to create a task, there's a couple things you can do. Uh, just to be clear, you can build your own template. So if it's a task that maybe is not just recurring, but something you're going to want to format and use on a regular basis, you can add a template. Uh, you first just type in task template, you know, show how to create task. And then you can go in here and assign it to somebody on the team. But once you do that, you add the template and you just call this task template. Oh, save. And then you can go in here and you can use the task template. If there's any of these that you don't want, you can just hide it or delete it. See how that pops up and tells you this is hide, this is delete. But you can create templates to save your team time if it's something you're going to repeat. Now, I'm going to go in here and use this task template. Everything's already shown in the description. It will save anything that you make in this. So who it's assigned to, dates, whatever. But one thing that you can do also is make something a recurring task. And it's very simple. You just go in here, choose a date, and just so you let you know, this weekend button, holiday button manages and takes out weekends if you don't want people assigning tasks that follow up on the weekend. And when you have a recurring task that does eventually end up on the weekend, it will push it to the next weekday it's available. So let's just say you want to make it today. You choose today, you want to make it recurring. It's easy to do. You can make it weekly, monthly, daily, yearly. So we're going to make this a weekly occurrence on Tuesday. It never ends. Or if you need it to happen 10 times for the next 10 weeks, you can, choose a due date that you want it to end on, or just say, hey, I just want to give it 10 occurrences. So it would only last for 10 months, or excuse me, 10 weeks. And then you can pause. You can go into a task and pause the recurrence. You can skip weekends, obviously. And then you save it. And then create the task. And there it is. So today's is task template. And when you mark it as done, you'll see it automatically pops up, and the next time it's going to be there is June 2nd. So hopefully that's helpful, and we will see you in the next video.